Make a great choice today with the 2023 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, electronic stability control, trip computer, clock, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.